Here are 100 interesting facts about the human eye, covering its anatomy, function, and unique characteristics. Anatomy and structure. The human eye is approximately 24 millimeters in diameter. It is made up of three main layers: the outer fibrous tunic, sclera and cornea, the middle vascular tunic, choroid, ciliary body, and iris, and the innermost layer, retina. The sclera is the white part of the eye, providing structure and protection. The cornea is the transparent front part of the eye that helps focus light. The iris is the colored part of the eye that controls the size of the pupil. The pupil is the opening in the center of the iris that allows light to enter. The retina contains about 125 million photoreceptor cells, rods for low light vision and cones for color vision. The fovea is a small pit in the retina where visual acuity is highest due to a high concentration of cones. The optic nerve transmits visual information from the retina to the brain. The average adult eye weighs about 7.5 grams. Functionality: light enters through the cornea, passes through the pupil, and is focused by the lens onto the retina. The lens can change shape to focus on near or distant objects, a process called accommodation. The aqueous humor is a clear fluid that fills the anterior chamber of the eye, providing nutrients and maintaining intraocular pressure. The vitreous humor is a gel-like substance filling the space between the lens and retina, helping maintain eye shape. The eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. Human eyes can detect light as dim as a single photon under optimal conditions. Each eye has a blind spot where the optic nerve exits. There are no photoreceptors in this area. Both eyes work together to provide depth perception through binocular vision. Eyes can adapt to different lighting conditions. Pupils dilate in low light and constrict in bright light. Unique characteristics: each person's iris has a unique pattern, similar to fingerprints. Newborns are born with blue eyes. Their true color develops over time due to melanin production. Humans blink an average of 15-20 times per minute, which helps keep eyes moist and clear of debris. The eyelids contain muscles that allow them to open and close quickly. This reflex action protects against injury. Tears are produced by lacrimal glands and contain enzymes that help protect against infection. Emotional tears contain higher levels of stress hormones than tears produced from irritants. Health and conditions: common eye conditions include myopia, nearsightedness, hyperopia, farsightedness, astigmatism, and presbyopia, age-related vision changes. Cataracts occur when the lens becomes cloudy, affecting vision clarity. Glaucoma is characterized by increased intraocular pressure that can damage optic nerves. Age-related macular degeneration, AMD, affects central vision due to retinal damage. Diabetic retinopathy can cause vision loss in people with diabetes by damaging blood vessels in the retina. Evolutionary aspects: the human eye has evolved over millions of years from simple light-sensitive cells to complex structures capable of detailed vision. Some animals have better night vision due to a higher ratio of rods to cones in their retinas. Cultural significance: eyes have been symbols of knowledge, perception, and insight throughout history in various cultures. In ancient Egypt, the eye of Horus symbolized protection and royal power. Fun facts: human eyes can perceive motion as fast as 1/220th of a second. The white part of an eye is not purely white. It has a slight bluish tint due to collagen fibers. People tend to look at faces more than any other object, relying heavily on visual cues for social interaction. Optical illusions: optical illusions exploit how our brains interpret visual information, revealing limitations in our perception. Light sensitivity: bright light can cause discomfort due to photophobia, which can be triggered by various conditions or medications. Vision development: vision develops rapidly during infancy. By age 3, children typically have near-adult levels of visual acuity. Eye care: regular eye exams are essential for maintaining good vision and detecting potential problems early. Technology advances in technology have led to improved surgical techniques for correcting vision problems, e.g., LASIK. Virtual reality technology relies on understanding how human eyes perceive depth and motion. Historical perspectives. The first known description of the eye dates back to ancient Egypt around 1600 BC. Aristotle believed that sight was produced by rays emitted from the eyes rather than light entering them. Myths and misconceptions. Contrary to popular belief, reading in dim light does not damage your eyes but may cause temporary discomfort. Eye color. Brown is the most common eye color worldwide, while green is one of the rarest. Reflexes. The blink reflex protects against foreign objects entering the eye. It occurs within milliseconds. Connections to brain function. The visual cortex processes information received from both eyes but also integrates it for depth perception. Environmental influence. UV rays can damage eyes over time. Wearing sunglasses can help protect against this damage. Aging effects. As people age, they may experience changes in color perception and contrast sensitivity. Eye movements. Saccades are quick movements of both eyes in the same direction used for scanning environments. Famous sayings, "The eyes are the windows to the soul," reflects cultural beliefs about emotional expression through gaze. Vision loss statistics. Approximately 285 million people worldwide are visually impaired. Many cases are preventable or treatable. Eye surgery innovations. Cataract surgery is one of the most common surgical procedures performed globally. Color blindness. Color blindness affects approximately 1 in 12 men and 1 in 200 women globally. Visual acuity testing. The Snellen chart measures visual acuity using letters arranged in decreasing size. Night vision adaptation. Eyes take about 20–30 minutes to fully adapt from bright light to darkness, dark adaptation. Contact lenses. Contact lenses were first developed in 1887 by German glassblower F.A. Müller. Eye makeup history. Ancient Egyptians used kohl as eyeliner not only for aesthetics but also for protection against sun glare. Visual processing speed. Information from each eye reaches the brain within approximately 13 milliseconds after entering through the pupil. Eye shapes across species. Different species have evolved unique eye shapes suited for their environments, e.g., wide-set eyes for prey animals. Retinal detachment risks. Retinal detachment can occur due to injury or underlying conditions. Immediate medical attention is crucial. Eye strain awareness. Digital eye strain affects many people who spend prolonged periods looking at screens. Symptoms include dryness and fatigue. Protective mechanisms. Eyelashes serve as a barrier against debris entering the eye while also triggering blink reflexes when touched. Tear production variability. Tear production decreases with age. Older adults may experience dry eyes more frequently. Optical nerve functionality. Each optic nerve contains about 1 million nerve fibers transmitting visual information from each retina. Visual field testing. Visual field tests assess peripheral vision. Loss may indicate neurological issues or other health concerns. Animal vision comparison. Some birds can see ultraviolet light, which humans cannot perceive but plays a role in their navigation and hunting strategies. Role of melanin. Melanin levels influence not only skin tone but also eye color. More melanin results in darker eyes. Pupil dilation. Pupil dilation occurs in low light conditions due to signals from sympathetic nerves responding to darkness or excitement. Eye health awareness. Awareness campaigns promote regular checkups for early detection of diseases like glaucoma or AMD, age-related macular degeneration. Vision rehabilitation. Vision rehabilitation services help individuals adjust after significant vision loss or impairment through training and adaptive technologies. Eye donation. Corneal transplants restore sight for many individuals suffering from corneal diseases or injuries through donated tissue. Visual artistry. Artists often study human anatomy closely, including eye structure, for accurate representation in their works. Cultural symbolism. In many cultures, large eyes symbolize beauty or innocence. This perception influences art and media representations globally. Reflexive action. 77. Reflexive actions like blinking occur even during sleep as part of protective mechanisms against dryness or irritation while resting. This list provides an overview of various aspects related to human eyes, from anatomy and function to cultural significance and health considerations, highlighting their complexity and importance in daily life. If you need more specific details or additional facts on any particular aspect, feel free to ask.